So you see a stock that's already moved up. And your first thought is, and it's a common one, did I miss the move? Is it too late to buy this position? Most investors have been taught to wait for a stock to pull back before they buy it. But that one habit is exactly why they keep ending up in the wrong stocks. Think about it, because the best stocks, they usually don't give you the perfect pullback you're waiting for. Today, I'm going to show you a 3-step test for each stock you're considering so you know whether it's still a buyable position. Now, here's the issue. Most investors are mixing up two completely different decisions. A short-term swing trade per se compared to an investment. Now, because a stock can be a bad short-term trade and still be a great long-term investment. And when you don't separate those two, that's when you start passing on strong stocks just because they've already had a move. So instead of asking, is it too late? You need to start asking, what kind of decision am I actually making? And then evaluate the stock the right way. I want to introduce the 3-step still buyable test. Step 1, decision type. Step 1 is to state your objective. Ask yourself, am I just trying to trade this or invest in this? That's the question you have to ask, because if you're trading, then yes, timing matters more. I'm not going to argue that. You care about short-term entries. But if you are investing, now you're asking completely different questions. Is this a strong business that is trending higher? And that is where most people get tripped up. They reject a great investment because it's not a perfect entry today. So here is the rule. Don't confuse a bad short-term entry with a bad long-term investment. Step number 2 is to verify the price trend. Now that you know what your objective is, the next thing you need to do is look at the price trend. Ask, is this stock moving up in a smooth, controlled way? Because not all moves, especially higher, are the same. Let me show you what that looks like. The first example I have right before you is FIX. Now, we're going to take a look at FIX. You can see it's making higher highs and higher lows and doing it in a smooth, controlled way. This is what strength looks like. It's not rushing. It's not erratic. It's just consistency trending higher over time. Now, example number 2, AEHR. Now, compare that to the other stock. You can see how the move becomes much more vertical. That's what we call a parabolic move. And while it looks exciting, this is where risk starts to increase, especially for a short-term trade, because moves like this are harder to sustain. Now, example number 3, UAMY, a volatile stock here. Now, the stock has risen. You can see it clearly on the chart here. But look at the volatility. And when you buy this stock, the volatility is not just going to disappear. So that's why we want to find smooth, steady price action. This volatile price action is likely to continue after you buy this position. Example number 4, CrowdStrike, downtrending stock. This is the complete opposite. You've got lower highs and lower lows, a steady move to the downside. Now you'll see the slight upward move and an overall downtrend. This may entice you to buy, but don't be fooled. This is what a weakening stock looks like. Here's a takeaway. A strong stock just doesn't go up. It goes up in a healthy way. Smooth and steady equals strength. Parabolic equals caution. Downtrend equals avoid. The goal is not to buy low. It's to buy strength that's behaving well. Step 3, earnings. Ask yourself, are earnings growing and supporting this move? Because earnings are the engine that drives a stock price higher over time. Price can move on hype for a little while, but sustained moves come from a business that's actually improving. So what you want to see is consistent rising earnings. Here's the rule. If the earnings are rising, the move has support. If they're not, the move usually doesn't last. So here's your quick check. What type of decision am I making? Is the price trend smooth and healthy? Are earnings supporting the move? That's how you decide if a stock is still viable, not whether it's already gone up. And when you start looking at stocks this way, something interesting happens. You stop chasing cheap stocks that are just falling, and you start focusing on strong stocks that are already proving themselves. Examining VIX over the last 12 months, you may have been timid, but look, here's a high. Here's another high. Here's another high. It keeps going up. The run is not over. The stock is already doing what you want it to do. Continue to hit new highs. That one shift alone can completely change how you build your portfolio. So no, it's not too late just because a stock has already gone up. It's only too late when the trend becomes unhealthy. The earnings aren't there, or you're making the wrong type of decision. If you want a clear way to find strong stocks and know if now is the right time to buy them, take a 30-day test drive of the Market Launchpad using the link in the description I've provided below. See you in the next video.